Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between free cash flow dividend and earnings-based dividend. Number 1. A free cash flow dividend is a dividend paid from the company's actual free cash flow, whereas an earnings-based dividend is paid based on accounting earnings or reported profit. Number 2. Free cash flow dividend depends on the cash left after operating expenses and capital expenditures, whereas an earnings-based dividend depends mainly on net income shown in the income statement. Number 3. Free cash flow dividend is measured using free cash flow, which is operating cash flow minus capital expenditures. On the other hand, earnings-based dividend is usually measured with net income or earnings per share. Number 4. Free cash flow dividend is generally considered more sustainable because it is backed by real cash generation, whereas an earnings-based dividend can be less sustainable because accounting earnings may not always reflect available cash. Number 5. Free cash flow dividend gives a company more financial flexibility because management can align payouts with available cash, whereas an earnings-based dividend may create pressure to maintain payouts even when cash flow is weak. Number 6. Free cash flow dividend usually carries a lower risk of dividend cuts when cash generation remains healthy. On the other hand, earnings-based dividend may face a higher risk of cuts during cash shortages. Number 7. Free cash flow dividend is often less affected by accounting adjustments and non-cash items, whereas an earnings-based dividend can fluctuate more because reported earnings may change due to accounting treatments. Number 8. Free cash flow dividend usually supports a stronger balance sheet because dividends are paid only when real cash is available, whereas an earnings-based dividend may weaken the balance sheet if profits look strong but cash flow is poor. Number 9. Free cash flow dividend reflects actual cash availability inside the business. On the other hand, earnings-based dividend may still be declared even when the company's cash position is tight. Number 10. Free cash flow dividend is often more stable over the long term when the business consistently generates cash, whereas an earnings-based dividend depends more on profit consistency and may be less stable. Number 11. Free cash flow dividend encourages management to focus on cash generation efficiency and long-term value creation, whereas an earnings-based dividend may push management to focus more on short-term profit targets. Number 12. Free cash flow dividend is commonly evaluated using the free cash flow payout ratio. On the other hand, earnings-based dividend is commonly evaluated using the earnings payout ratio. Number 13. Free cash flow dividend often appeals more to long-term and value-oriented investors because it is tied to real cash strength, whereas an earnings-based dividend may attract income-focused investors who mainly watch reported profits. Number 14. Free cash flow dividend is commonly seen in capital-intensive and mature industries such as utilities, energy, and infrastructure, whereas an earnings-based dividend is more common in businesses where reported profits are the primary focus. Number 15. Free cash flow dividend is usually better for companies with strong cash generation and significant capital needs. On the other hand, earnings-based dividend is often better suited to companies with stable profits and lower capital expenditure requirements. So, the key takeaway is that free cash flow dividends are generally backed by real cash and may offer greater stability, whereas earnings-based dividends rely more on accounting profits and may involve higher risk if cash flow does not support the payout. This lecture is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.